Ever wondered how some YouTube channels manage to gain thousands of subscribers and generate significant revenue without uploading a single long-form video? We're going to reveal a groundbreaking technique that allows you to create a whopping 60 YouTube shorts in just 60 minutes using only 2 AI tools. You ready? Let's go. Start by identifying your niche. Choose a subject that aligns with your interests, but also offers the potential to earn. Right now, the most popular short-form niches that can catapult your content into millions of views include entertainment, video games, food, technology, or sports. Once you've chosen, hop over to YouTube and explore various subtopics related to your chosen niche. In sports, you could choose football and then dive down into college football, but whatever your choice, get specific. Then delve into the short section, evaluating the performance of these specific videos. Check if viewers are engaging with them actively. If there's a good level of interest, dive into some of the highest viewed shorts in your niche. Take note of which shorts are doing best and what subject they're focused on. Then go ahead and set up your YouTube channel. If you don't know how, check out our previous video detailing exactly how to do that. One quick tip though, make sure your channel has a memorable name, like this one, Top AI Tools. Once you've got your channel set up, it's time for content creation. Since you're aiming to produce 60 videos, divide them into 6 distinct categories. Using Google Bard, instruct it to segment your topic into 6 categories. For instance, if you picked football, pose a prompt like this. Divide the football niche into 6 distinct categories so that I can develop 10 short videos for each. Bard will not only suggest 6 distinct topics, it'll also provide video ideas. Next up is crafting video scripts. This gives you greater control and customization over your video's narrative. Copy your content ideas and paste them into a text box. Alongside your ideas, provide a structured outline to guide the script's flow. We recommend using the following outline. Captivating hook. Grab viewers' attention with a compelling question, an amusing or thought-provoking moment, a surprising fact, or any element that sparks curiosity and engagement. Comprehensive introduction. Clearly convey the video's theme, its relevance to the viewer, and the reasons why they should watch. Engaging content delivery. Utilize storytelling, demonstrations, tutorials, lists, comparisons, or other suitable formats to present the content in an engaging and informative manner. Reinforcing conclusion. Summarize the key points, deliver a call to action, pose a thought-provoking question, offer recommendations, tease the next video, or employ any other technique to leave a lasting impression. Hand this outline and your ideas to Google Bard, specifying the desired tone and length of script required. Request it to generate scripts for 5 videos at a time for optimized result. This step in the process is relatively quick and so easy, but it's also optional, as the tool we're about to introduce can handle the whole process from start to finish. Hey team, before we explain, please hit the subscribe button for more AI content and let us know what you think of this video. We'd really appreciate your comments. So from here on, you've got 2 options. You can take your scripts from Bard and then manually manage the process, including voiceovers, recordings, and gathering footage and images from various sources. Or you can hand over the entire production process to Invideo and have everything automated. Utilizing an AI tool like Invideo will generate voiceovers, assemble videos, and apply transitions and effects, generating high-quality YouTube shorts in a matter of seconds. This option streamlines the whole workflow and saves you a lot of time. We'll assume your time is precious and you'd rather go with Invideo. And here's the kicker. You can sign up for free. So once you're signed in, navigate to the Select Workflow section and choose YouTube Shorts. Provide a comprehensive description of your YouTube short, including its theme and objectives. Select the desired voiceover gender and voice option to ensure an engaging and natural narration. Since subtitles play a crucial role in captivating viewers, enable the show's subtitles option. Click next to receive an automatic prompt that you can tailor to match your specific preferences. Trigger the video generation by clicking Generate Video. This will prompt you to choose the target audience, desired video tone, and the platform where the short will be posted. Make your selections and click Continue. Then just sit back and chill as Invideo meticulously plans the script, generates it, synthesizes and transcribes the voiceover, adds media clips, incorporates text overlays, selects background music, and applies subtle yet significant enhancement. Within minutes, you'll have a polished and engaging YouTube short, ready to capture your viewers' attention. As Invideo is busy working on generating your first video, let's open another tab and start the process for your second YouTube short. You can simultaneously open multiple tabs and input 10 different prompts to expedite the process. However, remember to maintain a level of consistency by using the same voiceover, gender, and voice option throughout. This will enhance your brand recognition. However, if you crafted your own scripts using Google Bard or GPT, or maybe even wrote them yourself, return to the Invideo homepage and select the Script to Video option. Paste your script, provide additional details, and emphasize that you want a YouTube short video. Alternatively, choose the Generate Video from Article option. Paste the link to an excellent article, add details, and don't forget to include the phrase "make a YouTube short video" at the beginning to ensure Invideo understands your objective. In order to ensure compatibility with YouTube Shorts format, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select the target audience, desired video style, and the YouTube Shorts platform as usual. Click Continue to initiate the generation process. While Invideo is working on your first video, start the process for your subsequent YouTube Shorts in the other tabs. Once the first video's generation is complete, you can either export it directly or utilize Invideo's AI video editor to refine the output. The AI video editor provides a command box where you can enter prompts like replace second scene, move subtitles, change intro, or replace words from subtitles. For more granular editing, click Edit instead of Export to directly modify the footage, script, and other elements. Export all of the videos one by one, and you can now upload 2 videos per day for the next 30 days. Consistency is crucial for YouTube's algorithm, and frequent uploads will undoubtedly boost your channel's visibility and engagement.